Today we are going to talk about Google Docs. Let's start by going to drive.google.com. Once there, click New in the top left corner and select Google Docs. A new document will open, and when you are ready, you can go ahead and start typing. You can see that in the very top of the sheet, changes will be saved automatically to Drive as long as you have an internet connection. To add a title, go ahead and click the title on the top where it says Rename. Add a new title. So I need to write a paper for class. In my formatting instructions from my teacher, I can see that I will need to double space my paper and use 12-point Times New Roman font. I will start by changing the font and size. To do so, click the font that's currently being used and select the new one you would like to use. And then select the size and the size you would like to use. You can also go ahead and click the size and type in a size that you would like to. I need to use 12-point though. After that, we're going to change the spacing, which is on the right side over here on the bar. It says line spacing. Click that and just simply click double. I've now gotten to a point in my essay where I need to include a table. To add a table or any other objects, you'll simply go to Insert and click the object you would like to insert. For me, I'm going to use Table, so I'll select Table, and then I'll select the size that I will need. Now that I have the table, I'll go ahead and fill it out and fill out the rest of my essay, and we'll get back to you guys when we're done. My paper is finally complete. You can see I put the data in on my table and I wrote the rest of my paper. Now I need to add a header to add my name. To do so, I'm going to click Insert and then Header. And in the header, I can edit it just like I can anything else in the paper. I'm going to put it on the right side and put in my name, my instructor, and what hour I have as class. All right, now before I turn my papers in, I like to have a couple people look over and comment on the paper on things that I should change. So to start off, I'm going to share this paper with a couple other people so they can go through and look at my paper. I'm going to click the share button in the top right corner. I'm going to click on a friend who is going to go through and edit my paper. I want to give them canned comment access. I don't want them to change my paper, just tell me what I could do better. I'm going to add a note. And I'll click send. Now that person has access to comment on my paper and view my paper. If you are one of those people who are receiving the access to comment on someone's paper, or somebody has asked you to comment on their paper, or you like to place comments on your own paper, you'll simply select the area that you want to comment on. So let's say this sentence. And you can click either the comment button located here or on the top of the screen if that bubble doesn't appear. Once there, you can write a comment, hit comment. Now once somebody writes a comment, it'll be selected right here. It'll highlight the text that they're commenting about. And when you click on it, the highlight will get darker and you can reply to the comment. And if you're the owner of the document, you can go ahead and resolve a comment when you're all done. This comment is all set. Resolve, and that comment will go away. Comments will not appear on your paper when it's time to print. So when you're ready to print, go ahead and print. The comments won't affect your paper. All right, it's been a couple days and I need to go through and comment on a couple comments from my friend and also print a rough draft for my teacher. So to do so, I'm going to go back to drive.google.com and I'm going to search for the title of my paper. See it appear here. Once loaded, you'll be able to see all the work that I've done before. In a few minutes, the comments will register and appear in. There they are. So I'm going to respond to a couple of these. Now that I've responded to a couple comments, I'm going to go up and hit File and then hit Print. And I'll select the printer that I want to print this to and hit Print. Now, if you are trying to web print to a printer on campus from your laptop, then you'll want to file and download as either a Microsoft Word file, but my preference is PDF because it won't mess with any of the formatting. So you'll download it as a PDF file, save it as what you want to save it on your desktop, and then you'll go through the process we went through yesterday in the printing video to upload that document to print it.